exciting project coming up here to celebrate the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. The children at Dandelion have been creating some amazing dance routines. They've been coming up with some scenes based on their future. So if they were to receive an honour from the Queen in the future, they've had to decide what they would like to receive that honour for. Somebody came up with an amazing idea for raising loads of money for charity. They would like to receive an honour from the Queen for something like that, which is really inspiring.
I wish that we had more time to live. I wish for more people to help other people. I wish to stop the pollution.
Telling jokes to cheer people up.
Oh, I love that! You spend your life telling jokes to cheer people up? That's amazing! In her life, she has raised money for charities to help people who are homeless.
My wish is to have more trains.
More trains. So we have an amazing project planned to celebrate the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. The children at Dandelion Theatre Arts, along with their teachers, have been preparing some amazing dance routines which incorporate the royal family, incorporate celebrating everything that is British. We've also got the British national anthem that's been rewritten with a really funny twist, where we talk about the Queen's corgis, and there's a bit of barking and woofing in the song. We've also been creating some scenes of drama based on what the children would like to receive an honour for if they were ever to be lucky enough to receive an honour from a monarch in the future. And one child suggested that they would like to receive an honour for raising a huge amount of money for charity, which was really inspiring. The children have also been creating their own silhouettes of Queen Elizabeth's outline from recycled materials. We also created some beefeater guards from recycled materials as well. And it's really nice because the children can bring in some household items that they would otherwise have thrown away and use those to create something really beautiful which they can take home and display in their homes. We've got a big sort of culmination day on the 5th of June, which will be a big open house, a big open theatre, and people can book on to have a tour of the theatre, go into spaces that they wouldn't otherwise have access to, backstage, the fly tower, the technical boxes where the lights and sound happen, and on stage itself, as well as the auditorium, and find out a bit more about the history of the theatre and the background, and also have a go at taking part in some workshops. We've got some wellbeing workshops which are actually going to take place in this space here on the Mez Bar, inside our purpose-built wellbeing tent. We're going to have some dance workshops, gymnastics and acrobatics workshops, as well as singing, drama and arts and crafts. And this will all be filmed, and we're also going to make a time capsule which we want to bury in the pit of the theatre, so underneath the actual stage. And we would like this to be reopened in another 70 years' time by whoever is here then. I'm sure it won't be me by then, but by the future generation. This is really exciting. The future of the theatre relies on exactly what you can hear going on behind me. So the theatre is full of children, it's full of their parents, their grandparents. We rely on the local people and the wider community supporting us. Come in, watch a film here, watch a show, buy a ticket, visit our cafe, make a donation if you can. You can do so on our website. You can buy a seat, you can sponsor us, you can spread the word, tell a friend. Word of mouth is the best advertising we have. This is our happy place for us as artists, creatives. The Dandelion family want to stay here for future generations, and to secure the future of the theatre for another 70 years, we need support, and that's where you can help. So please support us, please come and say hello to us, and see what our amazing theatre has to offer.